एमपीटी विस्तारीकरण, कोळसा आणि लाकडी भुसा प्रदूषणासंदर्भात जनतेची गाऱ्हाणी ऐकण्यासाठी प्रशासनानं बुधवारपासून 3 दिवस जनसुनावणी सुरू केली आहे। वास्कोतील टिळक मैदानावर उभारलेल्या भव्य मंडपात ही सुनावणी सुरू होत असून वास्को बरोबरच राज्यातील इतर भागातून आलेल्या नागरिकांनी यात भाग घेतलाय। बुधवारी झालेल्या जनसुनावणीवेळी मुरगाव बंदरातील साउथ वेस्ट पोर्ट लिमिटेडच्या धक्का क्रमांक 5A आणि 6A ची टर्मिनलची क्षमता वाढवण्यासंबंधी नागरिकांची मतं जाणून घेण्यात आली। यावेळी नागरिकांनी धक्क्याची खोली वाढवण्याला तीव्र विरोध दर्शवलाय। दक्षिण गोवा जिल्हाधिकारी स्वप्नील नाईक यांनी ही जनसुनावणी घेतली।
वोटिंग पण नका। What nonsense? What nonsense you talking about?
We maintain the road system.
I like the company. He's praising the company.
This
is a public hearing. This is the public hearing on environment.
Please come ahead.
आमचे गोय कितें केले आणि वो कोल हँडलिंग इतले थोडे असताना इतलो मेळ आणि जेन्ना आता तुम्ही जस्ट टू प्लीज ए इंडस्ट्रियलिस्टान आदानी असल्या मनशाक यू वांट टू डिस्ट्रॉय द होल ऑफ गोवा टू सपोर्ट वन मॅन।
अरे रिकॉर्डिंग जाता बरयता किती नोट द ब्लड ऑफ
इट इज बेटर that you do away with one man and save the whole state of Goa.
I like it.
Tweet. On the same count, I am requesting you again to postpone the public hearing until local languages and the required panchayat in 10-kilometer radius is served with copies. I think it is not only me and my fishermen union in Goa is asking for this demand. Here we have the Congress who is present. Here we have the NCP which is present. Here we have the Aam Aadmi which is present. Therefore, this is almost 80% of the people's demand that we want a local language EIA draft notification.
हमने सभी ऑफिसर गोइंग कर रहा है, प्रेस गोइंग कर रहा है।
I am not silent.
There are Goya Zata. This is happening in Goa. Even Orissa and other places, a pollution control board चे लोग objection हटता है। and हमें Goya हो गया है, मुझे समझना कहीं नहीं। Those people are silent. The moment they get up, you will come to know. We are objecting to this total coal hub. All this business is a sinister plan to destroy Goa. Please remember that we are not with you. All these objections, whatever people have raised, there are EIA which has been now this EIA to get the whole pollution clearance. The pollution clearance is a fraud. So we are opposed to it. Goans are opposed to it. Please put my objection as a Goinkar and as a MLA. Thank you.
Effective source and competing users. Unit KLE. Am I right, sir? If I am going wrong, you can please help me. And the answer is yes. Details thereof is the requirement shall be met from existing allocation of Goa PWD for existing operations. About 700 KLD of water would be required for full operation. 700 KLD means 7 lakh liters per day of PWD water. Sir, आमचे first of all, sir, कर्नाटका आमचे मादे रिवर डायवर्ट करपाक सोदता। आमचे एक्विफायर जे वॉटर सोर्सेस आसा ते मायनिंगाक लागून ते पाड पडला तांचे। आमचे वास्को गंगा आमकां डेली उदक ना आणि हे 7 lakh liters 7 KLD of water they want to use for just to spray on the dust on the coal. So 7 lakh liters means about 1000 families in udok's daily consumption, and only one company is going to use so much water only to spray on those coal heaps. What is this, sir? And have they conducted any study of the source? What is the water requirement? Who are the competing users? What is the water supply position in Vasco area? For how many hours we are getting water? So this point, my submission is that this is a grave matter which ought to be considered in the EIA, and they have to study, conduct a fresh study into this issue of water.
Objection has been recorded in the minutes, and the ASA will decide on that. Environment Impact Assessment Committee has no right to decide whether this is required to be in Kogni or whatever, and it is, I think the summary is provided in Kogni, and that is sufficient.
Again, if you don't have right.
Equivalent number of soft copies of electronic of the draft EIA report with the generic structure in Appendix 3, including summary environment impact assessment report in English and the official language of the state. This is section 2.2. It has to be in both. And in section 2.3, again it says that they shall also make available the draft EIA report for inspection electronically or otherwise to the public hearing. Do you have a copy of the draft EIA report of today's public hearing in Konkani and Marathi at all?
Measures that are taken to stop coal pollution, are it true, yes or no? Now, if you all are agreeing on that, I want to tell you one thing. While this conversation was going on, this public hearing was going on, hanga log bindas kita footing marta rahe. I went just now to the port, and I can prove a fact. Tumi hanga media hanga. तुम्ही जरी bias ना त्याला माझ्याबरोबर चला. I will show you that there is a frame, but there is no tarpaulin on that, and it is still going on right now here. Is anybody here willing to come with me now? Anybody is willing to come with me now? Collector गाड़ी media I will take them right now. I will take them right now. Has anybody got the guts to come with me? I will show you right now. Has anybody got the guts to come with me right now?